If you're looking for the best sales strategies to implement with CrankWheel, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share some powerful techniques that can help you close more deals faster and with less hassle using CrankWheel. Stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal a better alternative that might suit your needs even more. First, let's talk about why CrankWheel can be a game changer for sales teams. One of the biggest selling points is its easy to use, instant screen sharing capabilities. It's a simple tool that allows you to connect with customers immediately without requiring them to download software or even sign up. This immediate connection can dramatically reduce friction in the sales process and boost your conversion rates. Next thing, CrankWheel's ability to help you deliver personalized demonstrations in real time is key. Unlike traditional sales calls, you can instantly share your screen with prospects, showing them exactly what they need to see. This creates a more engaging, interactive experience that helps build trust with your leads. But it's not just about showing, it's about showing the right thing, at the right time, tailored to each customer's specific needs. The third thing is its integration with CRM systems. CrankWheel seamlessly syncs with tools like Salesforce, meaning all your calls and interactions are logged automatically. This integration helps you keep track of your prospects and ensure no lead slips through the cracks. With all your data in one place, it becomes much easier to follow up and track the progress of each deal. Now, the fourth thing that makes CrankWheel stand out is its focus on accessibility. It's designed to be used in any situation. Whether you're on a laptop or a mobile device, CrankWheel works smoothly without any complicated setup. This flexibility is a huge advantage for sales teams that work remotely or have to make quick calls while on the move. But there's always room for improvement. While CrankWheel offers great functionality, it can be a bit limited when compared to other tools in terms of advanced features like in-depth analytics or customizable workflows. Some users might also find that its user interface could be a bit more intuitive. For larger teams or organizations that need a more comprehensive solution, CrankWheel might fall short in a few areas. Now, let's talk about alternatives. While CrankWheel is great for quick, easy connections, if you're looking for something more robust with advanced features and a better user experience, you might want to consider Alternative Software Name. It offers more customization options, stronger analytics tools, and has a more streamlined interface, making it a strong contender for any sales team. Before I wrap up, let me give you something special. We've partnered up with Alternative Software Name to offer you an exclusive and extended free trial. This means you'll get access to all the premium features without paying a dime, so you can test it out and see if it's the right fit for your business. Plus, we've got some additional perks for our viewers, ensuring you get the best deal possible. So, while CrankWheel is a solid option for fast and easy screen sharing, if your goal is to ramp up your sales with even better features, Alternative Software Name might be the better fit for your needs. Click the link in the description to get your exclusive free trial and see why it might be a game changer for your sales strategy. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below to get started.